Well, the subject was creative writing, and so the main decision was because I wanted to work with two specific tutors. First was, as the first supervisor, was Professor Menna Elvin, and also Dr. Jenny Williams, to have the ability to work with them specifically made the University of Wales, Trinity St David's, the obvious choice for me then. Particularly with Menna and with Jenny both having international interests in their work, and being Menna especially having published her works in different languages, and Jenny with her international interests as well. So it made it a logical place for me to study, especially as I wanted to look particularly on international relations, well, more specifically transatlantic relations between Wales and America, North America, in the context of creative writing and also creative identity, looking at immigration, identity and creativity and how one impacts the other, and taking, as it was a research-based doctorate, looking at historical figures who really lived and things that happened to them, specifically the Welsh composer Joseph Parry, who's quite well known here in Wales, but also the composer Daniel Pryddro, who left Wales and emigrated to the United States and made a tremendous contribution in the United States and also back in Wales. And also a different person, Mari Novello, to keep the gender balance, a pianist from Maesteg who didn't live in America but certainly performed there, and how that process of leaving home impacted their work. And then in terms of the creative element and the creative writing, imagining how they would react and how they would live after a tragedy or a crisis. As the Vice-Chancellor said in the graduation ceremony, things happen and you know, you fall, and that falling happens to each and every one of us. But particularly when you've left home and you've found a new country and a new homeland, how you react and how you pick yourself up, and how that then goes another step further into the creative process. It was rigorous, it was challenging, it was an enjoyable part at times when things were clicking into gear, but it was certainly a period of personal growth, and I think that it all combined into that, and a great sense of achievement when we reached the other end of it. And I think also for the next stages of wherever things go next, it set me up well.